Hello, this is Pankaj and today I am really excited to share you something, that is this package. And before I tell you what is inside this package, I give you the rationales behind this video. So I have used many rollerball pen available in Indian market, like all models of Uniball, Pilot, Hauser, Reynolds, Cello, Flair, Faber-Castell, etc. For a very long time I haven't used any new pen, so I wanted to try something new, and I have not tried any Schneider pen before, because they were not available in Indian market for retail purposes. So few months back, Schneider launched a roller pen for ₹60 called Schneider LX Max, and I bought that pen and I used it, and I felt like the pen to be just like a Trimax, just like a copy of Trimax. So I was really disappointed with that pen, and so I thought to go for something more expensive and more premium from Schneider. So I bought this pen, and so these are, before I open the package itself, I tell you, those who are not aware of Schneider. Schneider is a German pen manufacturer company, and that is one of the leaders globally in pen manufacturing. So let's open the package itself. So this is Schneider One Hybrid. On the left side, that is this one is a black ink, and this one is with blue ink. Both comes with 0.5 mm tip size. They comes with a waterproof ink, and Schneider One series offers two more models, like one business and one sign. But one business comes with 0.7 mm tip, and one sign comes with 1.0 mm tip. So these pens, like one business and one sign, are not suitable for regular writing, and they are suitable for signing purpose only. So they cost just same as this pen. I got this pen for 162 from Amazon, and after got delivered, it cost me around 202 for each. So in total I paid 404 rupees for two pens. Okay, now we we take out this pen, and I show you how the pen looks like. So this is the blue one. Blue one comes with barrel color in bluish touch, and the black one comes with barrel color in black ink. So uh, both are 0.5 mm tip size, offers waterproof ink. And let me take out, uncap the pen. This is how the pen looks like. Rubberized grip here. This is rubberized grip, and feel plastic quality is superb. Feels premium. Barrel itself have some rubberized touch, like this is not plastic, it feels like rubberized. Okay, brand model name written over here, One Hybrid, and tip size shown here, and this is suitable for document writing. Schneider branding here, typical Schneider cone size tip. Plus grip is very suitable and comfortable for long writing. And this, as the package tells itself, 200 meters 2000 meters, sorry. So if you start from one point, you can write up to 2 kilometers, and you can draw up a line of 2 kilometers. So and this is it. So if you got this pen from a retail store, it cost you 180 per pen. Pen comes with 4 ink colors: blue, black, red and green, and the other two models also comes with these 4 ink colors. So now the pen is I have some writing samples here. I have already prepared the writing samples here. You can see this. This is written with black ink. This is written with blue ink. No like quick drying ink. and no break impression there. I have used 70 GSM paper, so I got no break impression. But if you use a regular notebook paper, then you would definitely get some break impression. uh, but no smudging here, as the ink dries quickly, so we see no smudging here. So this is it. The pen is more advisable to executives, and for